camera view here. Yep, it took about 13 seconds. The lights, they are stable, and this is the camera view. It means it is ready to go. There we go. It's started. Hello and welcome back to channel, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect or pair a remote control with Mini 3 or DJi Mini 3 Pro or Mini 3 4 Pro or something. It's very simple. Basically this is already connected, but I'm showing you how to connect it. You need to go and turn on your drone, and also turn on the remote control if you have the RC1 or DJi N1. It's very simple method. You need to just press and hold after the drone is, these kind of lights, they are on, and you can just after the turning on, you need to press and hold the power button, and as soon as you hear the beep, and also these lights, they are moving around here, and that after the beep you need to go to these three dots on the screen with the DJi Fly app. Then you need to click on control, and you need to go at the bottom of the page. It says repair to aircraft or link. Then we need to click on it. It's beeping. Yeah, after a few seconds you can hear the confirmation from the beeping, and also beeps will go off. These LEDs will be stable to showing only the battery charge level, and also it will show you the camera, as you can see the picture or image on the screen. So it means it's connected. It takes only a few seconds. Not a rocket science or something, very easy to do. All you need to do, let me repeat it again, you need to turn on the drone and turn on the remote control, and as soon as you see everything is settled down, after a few seconds you need to press and hold the this is the drone button, power button. We need to press and hold like this for a couple of seconds. Now it's beeping, beeped only once. Also the LEDs, they are working like this. And again, go to the three dots on the app. Now go to the control and just scroll it up, fully up, and at the bottom you can see the repair to aircraft, and click on it. It will beep like this. The remote control is beeping at the moment, and as soon as we'll be connected, you will see the camera view here. Yep, it took about 13 seconds. The lights, they are stable, and this is the camera view. It means it is ready to go, and I can just start it for you. There you go. It's started. So that's the thing. The similar method you can do with the N1 remote control, which is older version without the screen, which does not have the screen. You need to connect the mobile phone on top like this, and the same app, there is the same app on the on the mobile phone, and you need to go and follow the same these three dots, same method, and you can connect the remote control with the DJi Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro, with the Mini 3 4 Pro as well. So this is it, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.